Guys, today we will be reviewing this manual siphon pump. This kind of pump is useful for transferring different kind of liquids like fuel, oil or water from one container to other. The packaging is pretty simple. There's nothing much. There are these few bits. What you get is a rubber hose or pipe which is roughly 6 feet or 2 meters in length. It comes with these clips, so you can put them right over here so that the pipe will not slip out. Something like this, you can just put it inside, and finally what you get is this manual siphon pump. And if you watch closely right over here, you can see that this thing is directional and there's a direction arrow over here, which means that the fuel direction will be sucked from here and it will be passed over something like this. So this direction is what you'll have to keep in mind when pumping. So this thing is made up of rubber and it comes with inbuilt check valves, and the amount of effort is all right. I mean, anyone can do this. This kind of manual siphon pump can be really useful if you suffer from fuel shortages in your area, or if you want to fill up diesel or petrol in your agricultural or farm equipment, be it like tractors, lawn mowers, something like that. You can also use it for fuel transfer between car to car, car to bike, bike to bottles, or vice versa. Overall, I think that this device is very useful, and I will highly recommend that you buy this thing for emergencies. One thing that I like to add is that this supplied pipe, this is really thin and flimsy, and it made the entire experience really frustrating. I will highly recommend that you upgrade this pipe to something which is a little bit thicker and stiffer, so it will not get all these kinks and pinches as easily. So once you upgrade to a stiffer pipe, the experience is going to be smooth. The supplied pipe is as good as useless. Guys, overall this thing is a recommended product if you suffer from fuel shortages in your area. This thing is going to be really handy. If you want to buy fuel siphon, something like this, then affiliate buying link for this product will be available in the video description, in the first comment, or in the view product section somewhere right over here. To support my channel and research, please consider using the affiliate section. And yes, to learn about neat little automotive hacks and tips, something like this, variety of interactive cards will pop up right here. Use your finger or mouse to click on these cards, jump to that content, learn something new about automotive DIY today. That's it for this neat little video, guys. I hope you liked it. Take care and have a nice day.